Tired of being limited by your DasherDirect card and itching to get those earnings into your PayPal account? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to transfer money from DasherDirect to PayPal, step by step. First, open your PayPal app and tap on the wallet icon, typically found at the bottom of your screen. Next, select link a card or bank. Choose link a debit or credit card. Carefully enter your DasherDirect card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code from the back of your card. Make sure the billing address matches the one associated with your DasherDirect account. Once you've entered all the information, tap Link Card. PayPal may take a moment to verify your card. Once verified, your DasherDirect card will appear in your wallet. Now that your DasherDirect card is linked, you can send money. Tap Send and enter the email address or phone number associated with the PayPal account you want to send money to. Enter the amount you want to transfer on the review screen. Make sure your DasherDirect card is selected as the payment method. PayPal might show you a small fee for using a debit card. Review the transaction details, paying close attention to any fees and the estimated processing time. Then, tap Send now to complete the transfer. Keep in mind that transfers may not be instant and can take a few business days to appear in the recipient's PayPal account. That's all there is to it.